So this is question number 8. When a 12 volt battery is connected across an unknown resistors, there is a current of this much. Find the value for resistance. It is a very simple formula based question. We know that V is equal to IR from Ohm's law. R is equal to V upon I. Voltage has been given to us as 12 volt. I is 2.5 milliampere and 1 milliampere. Of course, we know it is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 ampere, because 1 ampere would be having 1000 milliamperes. Okay, so we'll divide this by 1000. This will be your answer, and R would be V upon I. Again, this will be in ohm. If we divide it by 1000, इसको अगर हम 1000 से divide कर देंगे, so this will be your answer in kilo ohm. Okay. So next question is question number 9. A battery of 9 volt connected in series with resistors this much. How much current would the flow? If they are connected in series, it should be clear that the current should be flowing in, current should be same in all the resistance. So we'll write it here as well. Current would be same in all the resistance. So what we'll do is we'll firstly calculate the equivalent resistance by applying the formula for series combination, which is given by Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. We will simply add these 5 resistance and total resistance of the circuit will be 13.4. Okay. Then we'll apply the Ohm's law, which suggests V is equal to IR and I would be V by R, of course. Voltage has been given to us in this question as 9 volt and resistance we have already calculated as 13.4 ohms. So this will be the current. बस एक चीज और ध्यान में रखनी है, अगर इसमें से किसी में भी करंट पूछा होता तो सब में सेम ही आता, because the resistances have been connected in series, so the current would be same in all the resistance. We have been asked about the current through 12 ohm resistance, so it will be 0.67 ampere. Okay, now the next question, it is a very interesting question. How many 176 ohm resistances in parallel are required to carry 5 एम्पियर ऑन 220 वोल्ट लाइन? मींस 176 ओम के हम कितने रेजिस्टेंस लगाएं पैरेलल में ताकि ये सब कुछ हो जाए. ये सब कुछ मतलब 5 एम्पियर करंट आ जाए 220 वोल्ट की लाइन पे. ओके, सो लेट्स ट्राई टू कैलकुलेट दैट द टोटल रेजिस्टेंस इज टू बी x, सिंस द करंट हैज बीन गिवन टू अस एज 5 एम्पियर एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज 220 वोल्ट. सो v इज इक्वल टू IR, R would be V upon I. So voltage is 220 volt and current would be 5 ampere. It means the equivalent resistance of the circuit should be 44 ohm. If the resistors that are to be used are having the resistance of 176 ohms and they are to be connected in parallel, of course, then the formula for parallel combinations we already know. 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. In this way we can write as many as you want. So in this way we will proceed 1 upon R3 and so on. So we have tried to calculate the number of resistance to be X. 176 ohms X resistance need to be calculated, and final resistance is 44 ohm. So 1 upon R means 1 upon 44 will be 1 upon 176 plus 1 upon 176, because all are having the resistances equal as 176, है ना. तो इफ वी विल टेक कि हमने x लगाने हैं, तो अगर x टाइम्स इसको लिखेंगे, सो इट विल बी x अपॉन 176 आफ्टर एडिंग ऑल दिस. x अपॉन 176 इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 44. फ्रॉम हेयर वी कैन कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू फॉर x, एंड वैल्यू फॉर x वुड बी सिंपली 4 ohms. It means a total of 4 resistors of 176 ohms are required to give an amount of current which was 5 ampere on a 220 volt line. So what we have done is we have calculated the resistance of this whole circuit, and after that, after calculating the resistance, we have simply taken the number of resistance, and जो हमारे पास आंसर अब 4 आ गया है. ठीक है, this is your question number 11. So I won't discuss this question in detail because the same sort of questions I have already discussed in the previous videos. You have to connect these 3 resistances, each of resistance 6, so that the combination has a resistance of 9 ohm and 4 ohm. वो बताया था ना मैंने, कॉम्बिनेशन बना के देखने हैं. So I'll simply sift through the solution. This is the solution part. You will try it on your own, and if you find any difficulty you can ask. This is the solution for this question. I won't be discussing this question, तो तुम लोग देख लेना इस solution को as it is. ठीक है, and firstly you try this on your own, then you watch this solution. ठीक है, So this is the solution for this question. This is also in continuation with the same. You can have a close look at the solution. ठीक है, तो तुम लोग इसको खुद try करना. Next is question number 12. Question number 12 says several electric bulbs are designed to be used on 220 volt electrical supply line are rated 10 volt. So what we have been given is we have been given the voltage and we have been given the power as well. How many lamps can be connected in parallel with each across two wires of this much line if the maximum allowable current is 5 ampere? So what we have to do is we have to first calculate the resistance. Power has been given to us as 10 volt and potential difference as 220 volts. So by using this relationship, P is equal to V square upon R. I am repeating it again. P is equal to V square upon R. From that relation, we'll calculate the value for resistance as V square upon P. So 4840 is the total resistance of the circuit. Now let us take the total number of bulbs to be X. Current has been given to us as 5 ampere. This is the allowable current that has been given to us as 5 ampere. Potential difference has also been given to us as 220 volt. Now if we calculate the resistance of a single bulb, that is R is equal to V upon I, 44 ohm resistance is the resistance for a single bulb, and the total resistance of the circuit is 4840 ohms. So what we can do is let us X number of resistance 176 and equivalent resistance in parallel have been applied. ये सेम तरीका है जो हमने पीछे किया था. Means total resistance should come out to be 44 ohm such that all these resistance have to be applied as parallel. Applied in parallel. यहाँ पे आप 176 की जगह ये नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे 176. Here it will be 4840. जो हमने ऊपर है ना, यहाँ पे ये मिसप्रिंट है. So you write here at 4840. ठीक है, यहाँ पे तुम लोग लिख लो इसको. So in the same way we'll apply this formula. Resistance is 1 upon 44, that is coming out to be this, and 1 upon 4840 again same method X times. After calculating this part, you can simply find the value for X as 110. Means 110 resistance or 110 bulbs of 4840 ohm are to be connected or are required in order to draw the given amount of current. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question. It says a hot plate of electrical oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistance coils A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately in series or in parallel. Where are the current in three cases? So what we have to find is we have two coils of 24 ohm resistance. हमने उसको तीन तरीके से यूज करना है. Method number 1 is they are to be used separately, method number 2 is they are to be used in series, and method number 3 is they are to be used in parallel. So we have to calculate the amount of current in all three cases. In first case, potential difference is 220 volt and resistance of each coil is 24 ohm. When the coil is to be used separately, which means a single coil has to be taken. So what we will be taking is, this is the separate wala part. So I would be V by R. V is 220 and resistance is 24 ohm. So amount of current that will be flowing through the circuit is 9.16 ampere. Means itna current हमारा circuit में आएगा when we will use these two wires separately. Okay. When these two are connected in series, so whenever these two are connected in series, the total resistance of the circuit would always change. Since the resistance for each wire is 24, so resistance का formula लगाया R1 plus R2, it will be 24 plus 24, it will be 48. Again I2, let us take this one as I1 and this as I2, it will be V by R. V is same, that is 220, and R is 48. So 4.58 amperes of current will be flowing through this case when the both are connected in series. Okay. The third part is when two are connected in parallel, the net resistance would be 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. It means 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 24, because each resistance has the value for 24. So 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 24 will be 2 upon 24, means 1 by 12. Since the value for 1 upon R was coming out to be 1 upon 12, 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 12. So resistance would be 12 ohm. Current would be V upon R again. V will be 220, R will be 12. This will be your final answer in order to calculate the current in third case, that is 18.33 amperes. Let's proceed to the next question. Compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistors in each of the following circuits. A 6 volt battery in series with this much means these two resistors are connected in series to a 6 volt battery, and a 4 volt battery in parallel with these two resistors. तो पहले ये दोनों सीरीज में हमने 6 वोल्ट लगाया, then these two are in parallel हमने 4 वोल्ट लगाया. We have to calculate the power in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. So what we'll be doing in this case is, we know that when the potential difference has been given to us as 6 volt, since 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors are connected in series, so equivalent resistance would be again 1 plus 2, simply 3 ohm. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, so I would be V by R. Means what we are trying to calculate, we are trying to calculate the current flowing in the circuit. So V is equal to 6 and R will be 3, because these two resistance will be connected in series in this way. Let's say this is 1 ohm and this is 2 ohm. So the equivalent resistance of this circuit will be 3 ohm. Voltage is 6, current will be 2 ampere, which will be flowing through this wire, and it will be same in both the resistors. So in series combination the current remains constant. Power is given by P is equal to I square into R, and we have the three formulas for power as well. P is equal to VI, P is equal to I square into R, and P is equal to V square upon R. So we have applied the formula. P is equal to I square into R. Current is 2, so it will be I square, and resistance हमने निकालना किसके अक्रॉस है, हमने 2 वाले के अक्रॉस निकालना है. So I square into R, it will be 8 watt. It means when they are connected in parallel, the power dissipated through the 2 ohm resistance would be 8 watt. Okay. When these two are connected in parallel, so in parallel combination, the 1 and 2 ohm resistance are connected in parallel. I is equal to V by R again. In case of parallel combination, the resistance, what major difference in case of series and parallel is the voltage remains same in case of parallel combination. That is, voltage अपने पास 4 दे रखी है ना इसमें, उसमें voltage change नहीं होएगी. V would be 4 and resistance would be 2, so P would be V square upon R, which means 4 square is 16 upon R is 2, which will give us the value for 8 watt, and current will be this much. I is equal to V by R. So I hope this is clear. In both the cases the power would be 8 watt as it was initially in the initial case as well. तो तुम लोग इसको यहाँ तक देखो. We'll continue it in the next video.